The Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) FCT chapter don encourage their members say make dem dey do physical fitness as part of better lifestyle. Dis one happen as the union organize one fitness program during their monthly congress for Abuja. Our Abuja tori person Rose Ijagu yarn say dis one no be the normal way wey dem dey do before, as members of NUJ for FCT gather no be only to talk about work matter but also to sweat small. As e be now, the fitness session don dey turn regular thing as dem include am for every monthly congress. The idea na to help members dey healthy and dey alright for body. NUJ FCT chairperson Comrade Grace Ike lead the waka as she ginger tori pipo wey dey across the territory say make dem join the movement, say tori pipo work fit make person forget say body no be firewood, im sef need care. She come yarn say dem wan make the fitness program turn normal tradition as e go help members dey healthy and also bring them closer together as colleagues.
As you can see, we are breaking new ground. That was what my administration, came on board with, and this is the first of its kind. For you to run around, to file your story, to cover, to video, to also use your photo camera to capture people, you must be fit. And so what we are doing here is to ensure that our members are fit. And I know you were watching from behind. Most of the exercise we were asked to do, we're finding it difficult because we have not been doing this. So there's need for us to keep fit because health, they say, is wealth. Yes, we are pursuing health insurance for our members. But first, we need to start with, let's know those who are fit. Let's know those who are capable, those who can go to the field and know where the problem is coming from. Most of us have joint pains because we've not been doing this. You just go for field work, you're seated or you're just writing or you're you're just doing one thing. But that time to go out to be fit, even if you can't come to the council, please let's find it as a routine thing to do within our house.
Members wey join the section talk say them happy well, say na correct idea wey them suppose continue and even carry go other NUJ chapters.
Personally, I feel very good. I feel very well. I feel energized. I feel proper. I'm happy to be here and I look forward to having more of this. A number of us are not fit. Because from what I saw, my take home is a number of us are not fit. Courtesy, sedentary lifestyles, the fact that probably the work related issues and what have you. Hence, my clarion call is that the council should endeavor to see that we do more of this because, if you're fit, most of these other underlying problems will become a thing of the past.
Health, they say, is wealth. No matter who you are, if you are not fit, you will not be able to enjoy what you have earned. Today is a milestone in the history of FCT Council that this initiative was not just conceived, but is being realized today, and I'm indeed very glad to be part of it. And I also think that she should take it to the neck whenever they have the neck, so that every chapter of NUJ across the country should adopt it so that they will be fit. It's not enough to stay behind the camera, behind the screen all the time without getting fit. Health is wealth. Let us keep fit and be healthy.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.